Hey everyone, this is Danielle. These are my Stylescapes. So if you remember, my first user, the 16-year-old, was Alexandra Cortez. She was very outgoing and very driven, and she was using makeup as a way to connect with followers through her pages, her social media pages, to help spread information and get information to other young LGBT members, as she herself is actually 16 and in the process of transitioning. So the first one are mild. The text I used was Pauline Bold specifically, just to make it a little thicker. I like that it has a very fun sense to it, but it still almost has like almost a handwritten quality to it as well. So, primarily with hers, what drove her to this brand particularly is the natural, the all natural, the starting out, the affordability, and the cruelty free aspects of it. So, there's the bunny to show, it's to show that, and then just nature. And the palette I got from these pictures, because there is a lot of color and a lot of inspiration in nature, and it's a beautiful thing that should just never stop. So for her extreme, we're gonna have to skip a bit here. So for hers, I went darker because she's still a 16-year-old girl. She's expressing herself, and there is still a good sense of color. Um, but she does kind of have almost a natural grunge kind of mix. So she does like that darker aspect, and she likes dressing up and being fierce and strong and still maintaining that sense of color and joy. Um and then just to sort of highlight the highlight the text, I went with the quote she used in her video, the CEO is define you, define beauty. That specific text is the brush script MTI, or MT italic, sorry. So this one is just kind of more focused on the colors and the makeup itself. And so my second user was Tina Hart, 25. She's been going to school for 6 years, I think it was. Has just come home and has recently been working with the local theater to help, and has actually gotten on the board of their board and became president just recently. So she's in the theater, she's on the stage, she is very much about presentation. So for this one, I wanted to focus on the ideas of how they presented their product. You still have with the bunny, it's still cruelty free, and that's a strong driving point. And the boxes, the bento boxes that you see, I actually got off of Blueberry Cosmetics inspiration, their Pinterest page. So I want to incorporate the things that they've actually seen and they liked and they enjoyed. And so I did that with the boxes and the packaging, and the background is actually from their Pinterest page as well. The text I use, because I definitely, with the floral and the thinner lines in the background, even with it made less opaque. I wanted something kind of thicker, something more in your face. So with that, I did a Berlin Sands, semi-bold, and I actually got the color palette I got off the background. And so they kind of mix really well together with that, especially with the background still being as soft and faint as it is, because it doesn't have a whole lot of color that just pops. So you can use that to just kind of help give it a good contrast. And then for her extreme, I actually wanted the colors to speak for itself more than anything else. So this would be set up similar to what you would see over the theater itself, playing now, on stage now, something simple like that, because she is still theater, so you want that kind of power in a title. The text I used was the monotype cursiva. This one is regular, and I played with it and just kind of made that the focal point, with the silhouette of the brushes, so you don't forget that this is for a makeup. And then, you see over on the right, you have the bunny. But the colors, specifically the colors, I don't think I have it open, but I picked the colors to help convey and keep to that natural tone. So I found a picture of berries and like a citrus, I think it was a dessert. So like this color is actually from blackberries, and this I got from blueberries. This was raspberries, and this was orange. So it still holds on to that naturalness and just doesn't become too simplistic or minimalistic. So those are my four. I hope you enjoyed them.